Hello, this is Aviation Blue Tech. Today's video is going to be a quick review of these models that I just picked up. 6 of them. I got 3 Phoenix, 2 Gemini, and 2, actually 1 JC Wings. Got most of them from actually Hong Kong. They actually shipped in pretty quick, so I was actually surprised. Um, I got the first one. It's a Phoenix Bangladesh Airlines 777-300. I was looking for this one for a long time, and I got it. I found it at a much cheaper price than it's it's currently listed. So I picked that one up. The next one is Phoenix Starlines ANA Boeing 777-300. The next one after that is the Phoenix Garuda Indonesia's the Skyteam colors. That was also another one that was very hard to find. Next for cargo collectors, it's a Gemini Silkway Boeing 747-800 freighter. I picked this one up. It took me a while to pick this one out. Just it's gonna be kind of hard to find some type of use in it. I believe I might see it on the LAX airport updates, but I'm not sure. So I gotta get back to you guys. Let you guys know about that one. The next one after that is the Airbus. It's a JC Wings Airbus 350-1000. It was the first one. I guess it's not painted, so I picked that one. I was at a good price, so I went and got that one. And then last is the Qantas from Gemini 787-9. We definitely see that when I do the LAX airport. So I'm just gonna take them out of the box and show it to you guys and and give you more details on it. Okay, we have the Bangladesh Airlines 777-300 from Phoenix. So registration is Sierra 2-Alpha Foxtrot Oscar. Again, like this one was very hard to pick to find. Glad I picked it up. It's a very unique model. I like the paint job. You guys know how I feel about the Phoenix 777s. They did a really good job on them, so I'm very happy I picked this one up. As far as where I see, like LAX, you might be able to see it there. I gotta check on the flights, but I know in London, you do see this aircraft quite often. So, but anyway, yeah, take a look. It's a very beautiful model. I'm glad I picked it up. Next, we have a ANA 777-300 in the Star Alliance paint scheme. Registration is Juliet Alpha 731 Alpha. This is from Phoenix Models. Picked this one up from China. It's a beautiful model. I gotta tell you, very detailed. I love the way the Phoenix does their models. Very detailed. So I picked this one up with the other 3 that came in, and it was actually pretty fast shipping. But yeah, it's a beautiful model. You would definitely see this one on when I do my AirLX realistic updates. So I'm glad I picked this one up. Very detailed. So I'm very happy with this purchase. We have a Garuda Indonesia 777-300 in the Skyteam paint scheme. Registration is Papa Kilo Golf. Believe that's either India. This one the same. I picked it up from China. This is from Phoenix also. And again, this one was a very hard model to get. Um, I don't believe they fly to LAX or anywhere in the United States yet. I think they just made an announcement that they were going to go back to. I think they used to fly to LAX before. Uh, During the downtime, they canceled. But I think they announced they're coming back. So I picked this one up, and I hope you guys see it on the LAX airport. So I'll double check to see. Might just make a surprise visit anyway. So, but yeah, it's a very beautiful model. Again, from Phoenix. So glad I picked it up. And yeah, it's got the dome on top. You know, very detailed. I'm very happy with this one. Okay, next we have Silkway Azerbaijani cargo 747-8 freighter. Registration number is Victor Quebec Bravo Victor Bravo. From Gemini Jets. This one, I've been looking at it for a long time. I didn't get it. You know, this Gemini jets are very expensive, especially the 747. So it took me a while to get it, and finally, I found it at a good price, and I picked this one up. They do fly in the United States, especially you see them JFK, Atlanta, on the big cities. And you know, Gemini Jets did an excellent job with their 747s. I mean, it looks beautiful. I love it. So I'm glad I picked this one up finally. You know, I could add it to my cargo collection, which I plan to in the future. I know I did one early when I first started showing off my cargo collection, but I think it has grown quite a bit since then. So I will do another one. Maybe when I reach 1,000 subscribers, I'll do one of those special videos. So, but yeah, this one, if you're a cargo collector, I would definitely recommend. It's a very beautiful model, and yep, I give it recommendation of a buy, definitely. Okay, next we have Airbus A350-1000 from JC Wings. This one has no paint, obviously. So I think this is the first A350 from the factory that was made for the test flights, and it's you know, I picked it up for I had the other one, the carbon fiber I think paint scheme. That one I sold. You know, I didn't really see. I picked up the Cutter 350, so I sold that one, the other Airbus. So then I found this one at a good price, and I picked it up just because it's you know, I don't have anything like this without being painted, and it actually looks pretty unique, to say the least. JC Wings also, they do a very good job at their models. I know they've been having a lot of issues with the mold as far as not being accurate. You know, I haven't really looked too in detail into that. I'm not too familiar with the 350s, so I'm not sure, you know, how accurate or they're not accurate they are. But it looks nice. So this one I got at a good price. So if you're into collecting unique models, yeah, I would definitely pick this one up. Last we have a Qantas 787-9. Registration number is Victor Hotel Quebec Alpha November. This is from Gemini Jets. This one I picked it up since I will be doing my LAX updates. I didn't have a 787-9 for Qantas. They do fly them in there. They started flying them, I guess, late last year. So you will see definitely see this one. Beautiful model. You know, I do have a lot of 787s, so you know, it doesn't really stand out. It's very detailed as far as the model itself. I really do like the Dash 10. I think that one is a very nice airplane. So I hope more airlines get it so I could get that one. But yeah, this one it's a nice model, and you would definitely see this one in the future. So well, this concludes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I am working on the Boston realistic update. That should be coming out shortly in the next few days. So stay tuned for that. And let me know if you guys want to see more reviews of the models, like a model of the month or something like that. Just hit me up on the comment below and just give me suggestions. So until next time, take care.